Milliposts. Jobs, current affairs, GK.
Namaskar, Daily Current Affairs Quiz, the 24th of July 2024. 1. Recently, which Indian shooter has been awarded the Olympic Order by the International Olympic Committee? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Jaspal Rana. C. Manu Bhakar. D. Pranju Somani. Correct answer. A. Abhinav Bindra. Indian shooting legend Abhinav Bindra has been awarded the Olympic Order by the IOC for his outstanding contributions to the Olympic movement. The ceremony will be held on August 10 during the 142nd IOC session in Paris. Bindra, India's first individual Olympic gold medalist, won the men's 10 meters air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Games. He has also served on the ISSF Athlete Committee and the IOC Athlete Commission. 2. Recently, which Indian state has made it mandatory for tourist vehicles to carry garbage bags? A. Assam. B. Uttarakhand. C. Meghalaya. D. Sikkim. Correct answer. D. Sikkim. Sikkim now requires all tourist vehicles to carry a large garbage bag to protect its delicate Himalayan ecology. Despite being India's least populated state, Sikkim faces ecological disturbances due to high tourist footfall. Authorities aim to promote community participation in environmental sustainability through this measure. 3. Indian Maritime Centre (IMC), recently seen in the news, is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. D. Ministry of Defence. Correct answer. A. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. The India Maritime Centre (IMC), a key initiative under Maritime India Vision 2030, is nearing realization. Spearheaded by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping, and Waterways, IMC aims to unify the Indian maritime industry, offering policy and industry recommendations. It seeks to enhance India's role in the International Maritime Organization, strengthen the domestic maritime sector, and promote India's maritime interests globally through flagship events. 4. Upper Karnali Hydroelectric Power Project, recently seen in the news, is located in which country? A. Bhutan. B. Nepal. C. India. D. Myanmar. Correct answer. B. Nepal. The Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IREDA, will invest 290 crore rupees in the 900 megawatts Upper Karnali Hydroelectric Power Project on Nepal's Karnali River. This run-of-the-river project will supply power to Nepal, India, and Bangladesh for 25 years. Awarded to GMR Upper Karnali Hydropower Limited in 2008, it will generate 3,466 million units of electricity annually, offsetting 2 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions. 5. Recently, scientists from which country have developed a robot face with living skin? A. China. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. India. Correct answer. B. Japan. In July 2024, Mingaoni from the University of Tokyo, Japan showcased a robot face covered in human skin tissue. This research, led by Shoji Takeuchi, aims to enhance robotic realism by incorporating living tissue capable of expressing emotions. The breakthrough allows robots to make facial expressions, combining biological materials with robotics to create more human-like machines.